NCERT, Class 8th, Chapter 1, Topic 1.4, Rational Numbers between two rational numbers. Let us find few things about first natural numbers. 7 and 12 are two natural numbers and we have to find the natural numbers between them. Then the natural numbers between them are 8, 9, 10, 11. So there are four natural numbers in between 7 and 12. Similarly, between whole numbers we will be having the same number of whole numbers, and in between integers, let's find the integers between -5 and 4. So there will be -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. There are how many integers between -5 and 4? So we count it: -4, -3, -2, -1, 0. These are 5 and 1, 2 and 3. There are 8 integers in between -5 and 4. There cannot be more than this. So there are finite number of natural numbers or whole numbers or integers between two numbers. But for rational numbers, let's check for rational numbers. Let's find rational numbers between 3/10 and 9/10. So we write 4/10, 5/10, 6/10, 7/10 and 8/10. So these are 5 rational numbers between 3/10 and 9/10. Can there be more? Yes, there can be more there can be more rational numbers between them. If we write, instead of 3/10 and 9/10, if we write these as 30/100, if we multiply numerator and denominator by 10, then we get 3/10 as 30/100 and 9/10 as 90/100. So how many rational numbers can we insert in between these two numbers? Then there are 31/100, 32/100, 33/100 and 89/100. So there will be how many rational numbers in between 3/10 and 9/10 or 30/100 and 90/100? There will be, right from 31/100 to 89/100, these will be 59 rational numbers in between these two numbers. Now if we want to insert more numbers, then what we do? We multiply again by 10, then 3/10 becomes 300/1000 and 9/10 becomes 900/1000. Now we can insert more rational numbers between these two numbers: 301/1000, 302/1000, 303/1000 and so on till we get 899/1000. So these are 599 rational numbers. This way we go on and we can insert as many rational numbers as we like in between two rational numbers. So what is the difference between the integers and rational numbers if we want to insert the numbers between them? In integers, whole numbers or natural numbers, we can insert only finite number of natural number or whole number or integers between them. But in rational numbers, there are infinite number of rational numbers between two rational numbers. And this is the method how we insert the rational numbers between two rational numbers. Another method, we can insert rational numbers between two rational numbers. Let's find that method. Let 3 and 4 are two numbers, and we have to find the rational numbers between them. What we do, 3 and half is the rational numbers between 3 and 4. 3 and half is the rational number between 3 and 4, that is 7 upon 2. Similarly, between 5 and 6, the rational number is 5 and half, which is 11 upon 2. What we have done, basically we have taken the mean of 3 and 4 or 5 and 6. So this is called the mean method of finding the rational numbers between two numbers. Now, how to find rational number between two rational numbers? Say 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 4 are two rational numbers, and we have to find the rational number between them. So what we do, we take the mean of these two, 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 4 divided by 2. This gives us 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 4. The LCM of 2 and 4 is 4, and 2 times 2 is 4, that's why 2 multiplied by 1 is 2, we put here, plus 3 divided by 2. This gives 5 upon 4 divided by 2 means multiplied by 1 upon 2. This gives us 5 upon 8. So 5 upon 8 is the rational number between 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 4. Let us find rational number between 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 2. So the rational number here will be 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 divided by 2. This gives us LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. This gives 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we put 2 here and divided by 2 here. This gives us 3 upon 4, and divided by 2 means multiplied by 1 upon 2. This gives us 3 upon 8. So 3 upon 8 is the rational number between 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 2. Now if we have to find the rational number between 1 upon 4 and 3 upon 8. So what we will do, 1 upon 4 and 3 upon 8, we have to find the rational number between them. So what we do, 1 upon 4 plus 3 upon 8 divided by 2. This gives us, we take the LCM of 4 and 8, this is 8, then 4 times 2 is 8, we multiply 2 to numerator 1 plus 8 multiplied by 1 is 8, so we multiply numerator 3 with 1. This gives us divided by 2. This gives us 5 upon 8, and divided by 2 is multiplied by 1 upon 2. equal to 5 upon 16. Now we find one more rational number between 3 upon 8 and 1 upon 2. So we have to take the mean of 3 upon 8 and 1 upon 2. So we write 3 upon 8 plus 1 upon 2 divided by 2. This gives us LCM 8 and 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 upon 8 divided by 2. This is 7 upon 8 divided by 2 is multiplied by 1 upon 2. This gives us 7 upon 16. So now we can write the numbers in between 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 2. Those are 1 upon 4 is our first number. In between we have to write the numbers. So the numbers are 5 upon 16, then 3 upon 8, then 7 upon 16, then 1 upon 2. So these are the rational numbers we have inserted using the method of mean between the two rational numbers. Thus we can say if A and B are two rational numbers, then A plus B divided by 2 is a rational number between them. Hence we can write A is less than A plus B upon 2 is less than B. So these are the rational numbers. A is a rational number, in between A plus B upon 2 is a rational number, and B is another rational number, and A plus B upon 2 is the rational number between A and B. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel.